Here is my latest project, and it is a
Esp-NOW firmware
thing. So I've got it set up on a Cardputer ADV, this custom board that I made, and a M5 stick C+2, but you do need to add a joystick, which I'll show later. So let's get into it. So first I'll just demonstrate it on the Cardputer, so you can type something in, it'll show it in the bottom bar, and it'll tell you your MAC address right there. And then you can send it, goes up to the top right there, and then it'll show up on both of the other devices right there. And then for this custom built one, it's just got a rotary encoder, which doesn't currently work, but you would be able to select from this menu of letters. And then the stick, you press this side button, it'll open up this menu with all the letters, and then you just move the joystick around and you can type in whatever you need. So you can type in hi, and then to send it you press the main button, and then it'll come up right there. So now I'll walk you through getting these two set up. This one's just plug and play. Alright, so here's my proto board version. Eventually I will have a designed PCB version. I'm currently working on that. So we have a rotary encoder, power switch, then I've got a Zhao ESP32C3 and a 0.96 inch OLED, I believe. And then you gotta have the antenna on the back and then a battery. So I basically just stuck all the components on the board and then just wired everything up. And then I figured out that to get more range you can use the antenna, but it's not completely necessary if you're going short range. And then I've got a 3D printed case with a couple screw holes, because that's what you need to secure the board in, and then some cutouts for everything. This will be fixed. This is an early design of the case, so it's not fully fleshed out, but it will be when I actually upload it to the GitHub. And then for the stick, I've just got this joystick module connected to this. Well, you got one jumper wire down here because some of the connections on top weren't working. So then you just got this row of header pins that just go onto the top of the stick, and then and then you plug this one on the far left, and then it's all plugged in and hooked up. And then you just press this button on the side to open the keyboard, and then you use the joystick to select, then main button to send. So that's pretty much it for this project. I will be releasing other versions, like one for the ESP32 CYD and possibly other dev boards, but for now this is all I have. So check up on the GitHub and I will keep updating that. Also, side note, but I just found this Intel Core Ultra clipboard at Goodwill the other day for $2, so I just had to pick it up. It's pretty sick.